cool news products, remember to check it out on our official websites at glitzaccessoryandsuch.com, and you also can see it on our bio as well. So I am using this is one of my bestie crystal placements always on my station. You're probably seeing it. If you see me in person, you might seeing I have more than one because this whole team was using it. And I'm using, this is the there's a dual end. This one end, this is the needles, so it's going to all the cracks. You can see that all the cracks, gaps, and edges of the nails. I think I missed one of the beads, but it's gonna be fine because I'm able to feel that my precision glue in and place right in that spot. So then my metal beads, the gold beads, will stay in there and looks nice if I'm missing one. And then on the other ends, I'm going to show you just 1 minute when I close this one. And it's a brush, so they can use a brush as well. And if you need a bigger like applications brush. And here, let me pick up one more and place right there because I have precision glue. Do this one too. Can Instagram see me? And I will get the twin tip brush. Each time you feel, you're gonna check it first. You feel scratchy right here, that's how you're gonna like squeeze in. So each time you're using it, just a smaller, like little amounts go a long way. So you don't need a whole lot. Twin tip brush, please. And I'm gonna using on the other ends of twin tip brush and give it a really quick swipe, just in case of it's get really extra, so then it looks nice and flawless. And then we're gonna cure, and the nail's gonna be completely done after 60 seconds. Thank you so much, everyone. Hold on 1 second. Let me quick picture first. No, looks good. I'm gonna cure that one. Great. I'm gonna cure and I will be right back, okay? Here's the nails from Facebook. Thank you so much, Facebook and Instagram, for tuning in today. I'm queuing for about 60 seconds right now.